Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you about clearing your font cache with Flatpak apps. In some cases, you might have like some stale font cache, and you'll end up where you can't read certain characters, and that's not good. So I got, for example, in the Japanese language Wikipedia page here, I'm getting these empty squares, and I know I have the right fonts, and I should be able to display Japanese characters, but alas. So what we can do here is we can first find our name of our Flatpak application. In this case, it's Brave, but I'll do a Flatpak list, and I'll grep for Brave. So it's com.brave.browser, and that's going to be in var app com.brave.browser. And you'll see we have a cache directory, a config directory, and a data directory. This cache directory is what we're concerned about. And you'll see we have fontconfig, and we want to clear that out. So right now we have all this in fontconfig. It's all stale, I guess. It doesn't work. We're having problems, so we can just remove fontconfig star, and now that's an empty directory. And then to rebuild our fontconfig cache, so we can do flatpak run command, which is fccache, in the com.brave browser flatpak namespace, I guess you'd call it, F, and then for good measure we can do V. And then I'll rebuild your font cache, and next time you open Brave, which I shall do now, we have Japanese characters, so we were successful. Hopefully this shouldn't be necessary often. I think it's just a bug, but if you're having this issue, I hope this helped.